why RFL? I would first say dedication of the children and dedication of the coaches over here is something I've not seen anywhere else. Okay, not just in the class, even during the competitions. That anytime any team is performing, the coaches are there to see that personal attention is there. Even from the audience, some coach is watching the team perform. Like they are seeing the mistake, they are seeing what went wrong, they are seeing how the children are handling and solving that issues. That is there, that personal touch is there. In spite of there being so many teams, every team is watched. Yeah? Dedication is one thing, plan, strategy and all is again another. And again, the whole idea is we prepare you well and you will solve your issues there yourself. The children have done it independently. A lot of times in the competitions I've seen the coaches solving the problems for the children. Ye karo. These children know themselves what they are doing. Like problem hai, they know what they have to bump up and what they have to cure, correct. So they have understood the theory, the concept that well. That is there. And and for every parent I would say if you're ready to put in that dedicated hours, that commitment, if you're ready to give, only then you send your child to RFL. The child will eat, breathe, drink robotics. He will not think of anything else when he's there. He will not look at the phone, he will not look at the TV, he will not answer your phones at all. Be prepared for it.
And that's a good thing. It's not something to be taken in a negative way.
Not something to be taken. I am happy and of course I'm worried at the same time when he doesn't answer my calls. But I have picked up kids from here at 11 in the night. I picked them up at 2 in the morning. And the child is never tired of it. The child is ready to get up next morning and come to class. That is something that makes a lot of difference for me. Like, in spite of putting in so many hours, I have never had to push him to go to class. It's coming from within. That is much more important than anything else.